Hello tech lovers. Microsoft releases new Windows updates to bring new features and updates for Windows operating system. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to check Windows 11 version, build number and edition in 5 ways. Typically, you want to identify the Windows version, but sometimes there may arise a need. For example, to check the compatibility or to update a driver. Hence, it becomes essential for you to know the various ways to identify the version of Windows 11 installed on your PC. Let's get started.
बन्धन सिमेन्ट नेपाल गुणस्तर चिन्ह प्राप्त साथ प्रविधि र गुणस्तरको।
There are primarily 5 ways to check the Windows 11 version and keyboard shortcut. I have explained all of them for your benefit. The quickest way to find the Windows 11 version is to use the winver command. You can press Windows R, type winver in run dial box and press enter. In the pop-up about Windows screen, you can see your Windows 11 version and build number. Press Windows I to open settings. Scroll down in the right windows to click about. Under Windows specification, you can check Windows 11 version, build number, edition. Press Windows R, then type MSINFO32 and press enter to open the system information window. Then you can see the detailed specification of your device. You can check the Windows version, edition, build number and more. Press Windows yes or click the search box on the taskbar, then type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel app to open Windows 11 Control Panel. Click System and Security, then choose System. It will open the System About page in Settings. You can find your OS version, build numbers under the Windows Specification section. Press Windows R keyboard shortcut, then type CMD and press enter. In command prompt window, type VER and press enter. It will display your Windows 11 version. Hopefully, the method above help you find your Windows 11 computer system version. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave us a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and click on the bell icon for the notification.